So we've got a John Deere 7210, 7200, sometimes some 74s. But this is a ZF 2045 axle. So typically comes out on the smaller horsepower 72s. But here's the common issue. Pin goes bad, or bushing goes bad, guy doesn't know it, and either he runs it till this breaks, or until it's worn past the plate, the spot that he can't, fix it. Here they even ran it where it basically ate into the housing. Some of these we can have fixed, and we do, we repair them. If we sell just the bare housing, we sell it on exchange. We've got a machine shop that can bore it and pin it, or sleeve it, and if you've got a good machine shop, you can do the same thing. Saves you a lot of money. So this one here, this was a good axle. The only thing that's the only issue with it. So we're going to have a good left-hand final drive and a good right-hand final drive. This is a 4-pinion 8-bolt. It does have a set of fender base and mounts. We may have a set of fenders to put with it. Also, we upgraded the guy to a newer style 10-bolt axle. So we've got a set of 8-bolt centers. So depending on what you do with your tractor, if it's something you're going to keep, we do have the upgrade options. This has got a good steering cylinder on it. Ring and pinion differential is going to be good. There's the left-hand hub. Pardon the rolling chair, but it's been a long day. So one more look at our issue. So if you need some parts for yours, if yours is not, if you don't have the major issue, you got a final drive out, we sell the final drive assembly, which comes with a knuckle and the drive shaft all the way to the differential. And we also sell just the carrier, or hat assembly, if you will, which would come with the hat and the wheel hub and then the guts. So ring gear, planetary gear, stub shaft. So that would exclude the knuckle and the drive shaft. So this one here should be in good shape. If we can help you out on conversion, if we can help you out on any parts for these, you can look them up online under your make model. You can also search ZF 2045, or if you have the OEM number, you can put it into the website also.